Don't bother me. Don't bother me. Check your tax over there.
Hey, good morning. Hey, good morning. Coastal area is 56. Later on this evening,
Don't let him bite
the
you.
daytime high of 65 degrees.
How big
This
is
evening,
that?
that temperature's going to be checking in at 60. We're looking at a beautiful day today, but we've been running in the 80s, so comparatively, it's going to feel a little bit cooler for sure, about 10 degrees cooler. Valley's 57, 69. Later on this evening, that temperature going to be
I don't know if I want to pay attention to you or him.
And then for the upper desert area, 60, 69 will be the daytime high. We'll be on that temperature at about 58 degrees. And coming up in a little bit, we'll do more stories on